gonna catch a fish on the stop. Feel it in my loins. That's a big fish. My loins weren't right. Boom. That's a big fish. Don't jump, don't jump. Boom. Nice one. Another good one. He's getting good. We're gonna catch even more. Come on, fishes. A mudfish. Mudfish, dang it. These are nasty fish. I'd appreciate it if you stopped flipping around. I was like, oh boy, there's a bite. And it was a mudfish. Well guys, that's our first fish of the day. It's not exactly what we wanted to catch, but the stinking muddy. These guys take the finger right off. All right, there's the first fish of the day. We are out on Lake Buffum today. This is Kelsey, everybody. And we're hoping to catch them. This is our first bite. I mean, we're fun fishing today, so not the worst thing in the world, but I'm trying to catch big bass. Kelsey's never caught a bass before.
Nope.
Today's our goal, to catch one. At least one.
At least one.
One big one.
One, no.
One giant.
No, just one.
Just one giant 12-pounder. That's the goal. We're gonna get Kelsey her first bass ever. It's gonna be 12 pounds.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna accomplish this goal today. Unlikely, but hopefully we get that first bass at least. But we're gonna keep fishing around here. Just the first bite. Maybe it's gonna be a mudfish bass. Oh gosh, that'd be fun. Not really, but all right, guys, we're gonna keep going. See ya. What is this one? Another mudfish. Don't fight bad. No, don't you dare twist up in my line. Break it up, take it off. Thank you. 2 for 2 on muds.
What is it? Is it like a bird?
Probably a bird. I think it's actually talking back to us now. Woohoo! Caught a bass! Not a bad little chunker. Tiny guy. Tiny, but super duper fat. Junebug trickworm action. That's where I wish I had some spot lock going on with this wind. But little pounder. Right, Kelsey, what do you think? Pound? Pound and a quarter is so fat. Thank you for biting, my guy. There he is right there. All right, buddy. You see you later. That guy comes right on this little Junebug and blue trickworm. I got a little 1/16 ounce woo tungsten. See, you can read it on there. You can read 1/16 on a woo weight. But that was the first one, came off a dock. And we're gonna hope we can continue that on. Oh, I missed him. I lost him. Dang it. Woo! Starting to rain, starting to catch them. There we go, guys. started to rain, so we got our rain gear on. Second one on the trick worm. So, right in the top of the mouth. I missed him once and he came back and hit it. Gosh, he's hooked good. I did not miss him this time. But another smaller one, you know, pound and a quarter-ish again. But hey, we're starting to catch them, so it's starting to turn on. We're just one bite away from a big one, so we're gonna keep going. All right, we're gonna get this guy back. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. We'll see you later. Woo! Catch fish right here. Calling my shot. Big fish. It's a big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Told you I'm calling my shot. Nice fish. Nice one. Nice, nice, nice. Don't jump. Don't jump. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Don't jump any more than that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Boom, baby. Woo! That's where we go. That's a good one right there. Boom. That's a good 3.5, 4 pounder right there, my friends. Oh, yes. That feels so good right there. Nice one. That's 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. We're gonna get a weight on him though. But boom, number 3 on the day is a good one. Yes. Yes. I'm excited because we have grinded out here today. We have grinded, and I've finally found a little pattern that's working for us. It's tough to fish these docks, but if I get on the back side of them, I can work them a little bit easier. And I think they're saging up on the back side too, because this wind's making this current on the back side of them. But that is a beautiful fish right there. I'm gonna put him in the live well, calm him down, and then get some photos. I'm gonna catch a fish on this dock. Feel it. Feel it in my loins. On this dock, yeah. That's how good I feel it. It's in my loins. Like, I can tell within my loins that there is a fish underneath this dock. And I'm 99% sure I'll catch it. But it might be the 1 out of 100 times I won't catch this fish, but there is a fish underneath this dock. I know I'm gonna go back to that other dock and catch a fish. I will be back there today. I'll probably do that whole stretch of dock. That's a big fish. Woo-hoo-hoo. My loins weren't right. Hey, go ahead and put down the anchor. Don't you jump anymore. That's a big fish. Boom! Woo! Yes! That's a healthy one right there. That's a big one. That's a big one. I told you I felt it in my loins. Oh, that is a stud. That's a fat one right there. He was not coming off. All right, guys, well, there's another one. Another good one. Again on the trick worm right next to a dock. That's a pretty looking fish. I'm gonna put him in the live well. I got the other one still in there because I guess we kind of forgot we were gonna release him. But we'll put him in the live well too. That's a nice, another 4 pounder. Another one on the trick worm. I'm throwing a little worms off there now, but I'm throwing a little Junebug blue tip trick worm with a 1/16 ounce blue tungsten pinned up to it, and those are the ones we're catching on. This is getting good. We're gonna catch even more. See how much easier it is? That was a fish. Oh, I just watched a 5-pounder just try to eat the fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just watched a bigger fish try to eat this bass. Just watched a bigger fish try to eat this bass. Or a gator or something. Look at all the bite marks he has on him. Look at that. See that? It just happened right there. I just saw it. It looked like it was like a 10-pounder just tried to eat him. I think a gator would have ripped him in half.
That's what I'm saying.
That was like a 10-pound bass that just tried to eat this fish. That was incredible. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on camera, but oh my gosh. Well guys, that's number 5 for the day. He's a nice chunky little dude, but we're gonna get him back in the water real quick and we're gonna try to get that big one that we just saw. Holy cow. See you, buddy. Literally the craziest thing that's ever happened to bass fishing. And that fish has bite marks on it to prove you saw them in the video. I don't know if you saw the fish in the video. You'll know now, but holy cow. That was a giant bass that tried to eat my little bass. And that fish was over 10 pounds. I guarantee it was. Like no exaggeration, that fish was over 10 pounds. That's one of the craziest things I've ever seen while bass fishing. But holy cow. Well, we know there's big ones underneath here. Let's keep going. Wind's starting to pick up. I mean, it's been difficult all day, but it's coming at a different angle too right now. Big fish, another big one, or bigger. Beautiful, beautiful 2.5-pounder. And maybe just 2. But nice fish. Another one off these docks is actually a dock I caught the very first fish of the day on. It is getting windy as can be out here, so we're almost done for the day. But quality, solid one. I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the live well with the other ones. And we'll get his weight a little bit later too. But all these fish are gonna be released, so don't worry about that. Check on the other 2. There we go. Another one off this dock. But £1.5. Actually, surprisingly, £1.5. All right, buddy. Thanks for buying another one on the trick worm. We'll see you later. All right, well, it's still raining. Still raining, but there's the 2 big fish of the day. I threw back the other one. It wasn't looking too good. I didn't get the weight on camera. It was right under 3 pounds. But there's the 2 big ones from the day. We're gonna get a quick weight on these guys and get them back in the water. Tell you what, I'm gonna put them in the live well. All right, first one. This is the smaller one. 4.16. It's raining, by the way. So let's get this one back. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting.
Bye, guys.
Later. Now let's get the bigger one.
Here's the figure of the coat. Get a weight on him. 4.72. So 4 3/4 and a 4-pounder. Straight up stud right there. We'll get him back in the water now. Hi, buddy. Thank you for biting. We'll see you later. Well, thank you for watching. It's raining. We're going to hurry up and finish up. But thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. And then subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it was a fun day. We were able to figure them out. Thank you to Rich Upon a Fish for giving me some intel on this lake. He really helped me out, helped me figure them out. But it was definitely a fun day. We'll see you later.